Hey everybody, Tim here from Workshop 12 with a quick update on the MK1 Electronics. So when we were originally shipping out the first versions of the MK1 Electronics, we had both an amp wire and a ground wire. So that amp wire is really for if you need an external amp to be able to turn that on as an on signal, and the ground wire is there if you want an extra ground. But in some cases for certain vehicles, that ground wire is actually needed. So there are some versions of the 350Z where it actually uses the ground from the head unit to be able to provide ground elsewhere. So that ground wire needs to be connected somewhere to the chassis. So based off of feedback that we were getting from the community saying, okay, well, the wire that we're providing on that is way too short, it's not really plug and play, totally agree. So what we've done is we've updated the kit to be able to include a 2-foot section of wire as well that you can connect into. It's got a little bullet connector on it. So it gives you 2 feet to be able to run to wherever you want to be able to get a grounding point inside of the car on the chassis. So it's a 1/4-inch hole that's in the size of the little loop to be able to ground. So you can ground that on a bolt or a screw or anything that's going on to the chassis of the car to give you a good solid ground. And really in any case, it's always good to get a good ground to your electronics in there. So that will help you get that grounding point. It's optional in certain cases if you don't need it, but for some cars it does need that ground in order to be able to provide the grounding for the electronics and make everything work through the harness. So I just wanted to give you a quick update on that in the kit. We're listening to you guys, we're taking your feedback, and we're applying it in there. So that's just a quick update on the MK1 Electronics. Hope the improvements are what you're looking for and make things even easier for doing an installation.